if you have ever tried to transfer photos, videos, music or documents between your iPhone and your PC wirelessly without installing any apps, then this video is for you. No cables, no third party, just Wi-Fi, and it actually works. Stay with me, because once you set this up, you will never need iTunes or AirDrop again on your Windows. Let's check this out. What you need: your iPhone and PC must be on the same Wi-Fi network. This works using built-in Windows and iOS features. No apps to install. Alright, so let's start on the PC. You will be on your desktop, so just head over to the search bar down here and type CMD or command prompt. When it shows up, don't just open it. Right click on it and choose Run as administrator. That part is very important. Now that command prompt is open, we are going to create a new local user account. This account is basically what your iPhone will use to talk to your PC. So go ahead and type the commands you see on your screen. You can name it whatever you want to. I'm just calling mine transfer to keep things simple. And for the password, please don't actually use password like I am here. This is just for demonstration. Pick something stronger. Hit enter, and if everything went right, Windows will tell you the user account was created successfully. Now let's create a folder that your iPhone can actually access. You can do this anywhere on your PC, but I will just do it on a desktop. Right click, choose new, then folder, and name it transfer. Next, we need to give that new user permission to use this folder. So right click the folder, click properties, go to sharing tab, click share. From the drop down, select the user account we just created, transfer, then click add. For permission level, set it to read and write, then click share and done. Now click advanced sharing, check share this folder, and then click permissions. This makes sure you can both send files to your PC and bring files back to your phone. Click apply, then OK, and close everything. Now we need your PC's local IP address. Here is the easy way. Click the search icon on your taskbar, type control panel and open it. Go to network and internet. Click network and sharing center. On the right side, you will see your active Wi-Fi network. Click on it. A small window pops up. Click details. Look for IPv4 address. That number right there, that's your PC's local IP address. Just remember it or jot it down. Now let's move over to the iPhone. Open the Files app. At the top right, tap the three dots, then tap connect to saver. In the saver field, type the IP address you just saw on your PC, then type connect. When it asks how you want to connect, choose registered user, username, transfer, password, the one you created earlier. Tap next, and just like that, you are in. You should now see the transfer folder from your PC right on your iPhone. Let's try moving files from iPhone to PC first. Open the Photos app, tap select, and choose whatever photos or videos you want. Tap the share icon, scroll down, and choose save to files. Select your PC saver on the transfer folder and tap save. Now if you go back to your PC and open that folder, you will see the file sitting there, completely wireless. Now let's do it the other way, PC to iPhone. On your PC, just drag any file into the transfer folder. Back on your iPhone, open the Files app, tap your PC server, open the transfer folder. You can tap the file to preview it. If you actually want it saved on your phone, tap the share icon and choose save. Now, that file lives on your iPhone. It might not be the simplest method Apple will be giving us, but it's secured, wireless, and perfectly on Windows. I'm Erasmus. If you find this tech tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment under the comment section, and subscribe. See you in my next video.
Camera. Yeah. Yeah, good morning to my haters, just a greet ya. This world is tricky with no competition. They are lane and they my zone, bro. Why they envy man, brethren? I fit to kill for a better life. If they be and they be, just try to listen. Changing your religion, no go make you get your vision, ambition. RIP haters, that's my intention. Consign yo, fuck all your ratings.